Hey guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make liquid soap in a different and super easy way. Trust me, you're gonna love this. So come along as I grab your hands and eyes, not literally, and take you through this fun and simple process. Get ready to mix, stir and create magic. Let's go! So here we are at the market to get the chemicals for our liquid. So I'm back. Let's check out what we've got and go over everything we'll be using for this liquid soap production. So get ready because we are about to mix up some magic. So this is my thickener and this is my sulfonic acid, my SLS, and that is my soda ash. So this is my Stpp. These names are abbreviations. You can check the full names on the internet or in my previous video where I also taught how to make liquid soap. This is foam booster and this is my perfume. I'm using vanilla. And this is called Preservative. And that is my color. I'm using green color for this tutorial. Lastly, that is my Texapon. It is called Texapon. And these are the chemicals we need for this production. Put on my glove, my hand glove for safety. Next, I'll pour water into a bucket, filling it up to half of 25 liters, as you can see in the video. I will then transfer it into my 25-liter bed. Now watch closely. I will scoop a little water using the cup in my hands and pour it into another bucket to get things ready for mixing. So into a dry bucket, I'm going to be adding my sulfonic acid, my Texapon and my soda ash. So into the smaller bucket that I scooped in water earlier, I'm going to be adding my SLS and my Stpp. So next I'm going to be stirring this. I'll be stirring the STPP and my SLS first before stirring the other one. If you don't have strength, don't turn the SLS and the STPP for too long. Just set it aside and start stirring the chemical in the other bucket. So keep stirring until it turns white. Sometimes this chemical does not turn white in time, but today's one turned white in time. So thank God. Let's move on. now that it has become white and foamy, I am going to add in my SLS and my Stpp to it and turn them together. When I pour in my SLS into the chemical we just finished mixing, it is going to dissolve. So don't be scared. That's why I said if you don't have the strength to turn your SLS for a long time, you can stir for it. You can stir it a little bit and leave it. So now I'm going to stir this mixture really well. At first it's going to become very foamy and thick, but don't stop, keep stirring. The key here is to keep mixing until the foam settles and the texture becomes smooth, not too foamy and not too thick. Just the perfect consistency for our liquid soap. Mixture has reached this consistency. I will add some water from the bit and stir everything together until it is well mixed. This method is super simple and that is exactly what I wanted to show you. If you have been following my videos, go check out my previous one on how to make liquid soap and compare this method with the other. You will see for yourself that this is the easiest way to make liquid soap very fast. I'll set this mixture aside for now. Next, I'm adding my thickener into the bait of water and using my hands to stir it well to make sure there are no lumps. And don't worry, this won't harm your palms at all. Just keep mixing until it dissolves smoothly. After about 2 minutes, I will go ahead and add in the mixed chemicals and start stirring. This will mix quickly because we already diluted it with water earlier, making the process easy and smoother. Just keep stirring until everything is well combined. Next, I'm adding my foam booster to give our liquid soap that rich bubble water. Then I will keep stirring to make sure it blends in perfectly. The more you stir, the better the consistency. So don't stop just yet. Next, I'm going to add my preservative and keep stirring. On a small plate, I will add a little water, then pour in my color and give it a good stir. This helps the color dissolve before before adding it to our soap mixture. Next, I'll start adding my color little by little, as you can see in the video. At the same time, I'll keep stirring to make sure the color spreads throughout the soap mixture. Lastly, I'll be adding my perfume to give our liquid soap a fresh and pleasant fragrance. Then I will stir it well to make sure the scent spreads throughout the mixture. And just like that, guys, our liquid soap is ready. Look at how smooth and beautiful it turned out. Now you can use it for washing, cleaning, and keeping everything fresh and sparkling. I hope you enjoyed this simple and easy method. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. And let me know in the comments if you will be trying this method, and feel free to ask any questions. Until next time, stay clean and stay awesome. See you in my next video. Bye.